guys, and welcome. So maybe you found this website, this video on my YouTube channel. Maybe you found it because you have an invitation by me on your email. Maybe you found it on my Facebook page or my Facebook, whatever. If you're not on this platform right now, you can get on the button on the description. It's going to lead you to this website and you'll have a little bit more clear description on what I'm talking about. Okay, so go there right now, and I want to show you around the platform on this website. So what's it's about? First, it's about me, Manon, showing you how to build your first website in Builderall. So first of all, you got to get a Builderall account. If you do not have one, you can go on the button below. It says get account. So you're going to get a 7-day free trial and 7 days to build your website with me, Manon, on this platform. Now I want to show you around, so let's go. Okay, so we're here on the platform right now. You're listening to the video right here. If you're on YouTube, like I said, click on the button to go on the platform and you'll look around and have more of an understanding of what I'm talking about. So right here on the platform, here's our menu, upper menu. You can go and check that out. We have online building success website, and on there you can find out a little bit more about us, about me, about what we can do for you. If ever you're French and you want it in French, so I have everything in French. So you can go on the online building success French right here. And also if you're starting your lessons in French, right here, it's going to be on this side in French. So everything I do, I teach, everything is in English and in French. So you are on the platform right here. There's our little video we're talking about. And if you want to get your Builderall account, it is right here. Now, here it's to start your, to work your website, to build your first website. So you have to log in. When you log in, you have to use the same email that you put in your Builderall account. So first you create your account in Builderall. Then you go here. You're going to have, anyways, you're going to receive instruction on your email. So first you have to confirm your email. Very important. Look in your spam and your junk mail. Confirm your email. Once you have set up your Builderall account, confirm your email, and you got to have instruction from me where to go, where to start. Then you come here to this website and you log in. Now when you log in, they're going to ask you your email. It's going to ask you a password, create a password, all of that. Use the same email because you're not going to not going to be able to start your website and start working on your website with me here. Okay, so we use the same email of Builderall. And then if ever you have any questions, and follow us please on our Facebook, on our Instagram. If you have any questions, you can ask them right there on the messenger. If you want to message me on the end of this platform, there's the chat bot. There's my WhatsApp number. There's also email also. So it's very easy to contact us in every little way. You can contact us also on Facebook. And don't forget, if you have an Instagram, come and follow me because I share a lot of my travel experience. I also have very soon a workshop on creating freedom and a good lifestyle. So soon it's going to be right here. I'm starting this on my travel experience also. I'm going to Dominican Republic and I'm starting to build this little workshop right here. So if you want to follow, it's for sure you're going to see it on my platform. Whatever you do, if you follow, you're going to find it. So this is the way you have to begin to start your lessons with me, Manon. I'm going to show you step by step to build your first website. So go and log in and start to build.